Levi's X Air Jordan 3 Denim Rigid highlights one of Jordan brand's most thoughtful collaborations, drawing inspiration from classic American workwear. Built with raw indigo denim across the upper, the sneaker feels closer to a crafted garment than a typical release. The denim panels are designed to age naturally, giving each pair character over time. Black elephant print at the toe and heel keeps the iconic Air Jordan 3 identity intact. Black perforated leather on the collar and lace area adds structure and contrast without overpowering the denim. A clean white midsole balances the look and keeps the design grounded. Nike Air branding on the heel reinforces the retro foundation, while the red Levi's hangtag provides a recognizable accent tied to the brand's heritage. Rather than relying on loud colors, this pair focuses on texture, material quality, and storytelling. The Levi's X Air Jordan 3 Denim Rigid releases February 5, 2026 in San Francisco, followed by a global release on February 20, 2026 through Jordan brand retailers and Nike.com.